An Indian Air Force special repatriation flight from Kabul with 168 evacuees has landed at the Hindan Air Base. The flight included 107 Indian nationals and over 20 Afghan Sikhs. The evacuation from Kabul took place through Indian Air Force C-17 plane. It also includes Afghanistan's only female Sikh Member of Parliament, Anarkali Ponyar, and Sikh Member of Parliament Narendra Singh Khalsa, who expressed his gratitude to Indian government for evacuating them along with other Afghan Sikhs from Kabul. The evacuation comes as a relief for anguished Afghan Sikhs living in India, whose families were stuck in conflict-torn Kabul.
उधर परेशानी बहुत ज़्यादा थी, संगत को बहुत परेशान थी, और जो हमारे हिंदू भाई सिख भाई उधर रहते थे और उनको भी परेशानी बहुत ज़्यादा है उधर। मैं भारत सरकार से यही चाहता हूँ जितने बंदे उधर बच्चे हैं उसको भी लौट आए। जो अफगानिस्तान में हमारे पीढ़ियों से रह रहे थे, इस तरह हालात जो एक हमने नहीं देखा तो जो अब देख रहे हैं उधर सब कुछ हमारे से एरिया सब कुछ खत्म हुआ। 20 साल जो गवर्नमेंट बनी थी अतः सब कुछ खत्म है उधर, अब जीरो है। किस्म किस्म तालिबान है, किस्म किस्म लोग हैं, किस किस से लड़ें, किस किस से बात करें। जो उनके बड़े लोग थे उनके साथ जो हमारे कांटेक्ट नंबर था, यहाँ फ़ोन किया था उन्होंने कि आप बैठो सुरक्षित हो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, आपको तालिबान चाहिए, जो चाहिए गुरुद्वारे के लिए सिक्योरिटी चाहिए हम कर सकते हैं आपको दे, मगर हम फिर भी भरोसा नहीं है क्योंकि उसमें कई किस्म किस्म लोग हैं।
On the same flight, India has brought an infant as well from Kabul. Few months old infant arrived in India without a passport. Another evacuation flight from Kabul landed in Delhi this morning. It was the first passenger flight by Air India carrying over 85 Indians. The Air India flight had departed from Tajikistan, assisted and supported by Indian Embassy in Dushanbe. Other flights are also on their way to India, bringing Indian nationals. Hundreds of Indian nationals have to be taken out of Kabul, which is now under the Taliban's control. Some 500 odd people are set to return to India on Sunday from Afghanistan through various destinations and flights. India is airlifting its citizens through Dushanbe in Tajikistan and Qatar. The first batch of 135 Indians who were evacuated from Kabul to Doha over the past few days is also being repatriated to India. External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar has said that India is working with international partners, principally the US, to bring stranded Indian nationals back home from Afghanistan. India has been allowed to operate 2 flights per day from Kabul to evacuate its nationals stranded in Afghanistan, in coordination with American and NATO forces who are currently patrolling and controlling operations of the Hamid Karzai International Airport. Our correspondent Siddhant Sibal sent us this report from Hindan Air Base. Listen in.
For many Afghans, for them it has been a second home. The group also includes 2 MPs. These are Afghan MPs. The first female Sikh MP, Anarkali Ponyar, and also Narendra Singh Khalsa are present and they're part of the group. But you can see how difficult has been the situation for them. Obviously, they are being told to fulfill their formalities and fulfill all the papers. They will soon go back to their respective places. But obviously, for many Afghans, it is starting of a new journey, of a new life, given the chaos in their country. With video journalist Siraj Patel, Siddhant Sibbal for WION at the Hindon Air Base in Ghaziabad.